First of all, we're going to decide which house we are working in at the moment. Everyone, move your Einstein to the spelling igloo because we are dealing with phonics and spelling at the moment. Sing the whole alphabet song and practice it with the finger on the board. Start over again and find the letter G. The G is blue and that means it belongs to the consonant group. G is the second consonant where you will find a hard boiled egg sound and a soft jelly sound. Remember our rhyme. You use the hard G sound when G is before any letter of the alphabet except for EIY. As soon as you find EIY after the G, the sound changes to the soft J sound. Just be careful, there are quite a few exceptions and we will add them as we go through the program. You can see on the poster that the G has two sounds, G and J. Let's move to our multisensory movements. On the right hand side, the letter G says G. You stick your fingers behind your head as if you make horns for a goat. For goat. But if it's followed by EIY and you count it out on your hand in the air, 1, 2, 3, EIY, it says J for giraffe, and you stretch your arms up in the air for the long neck of the giraffe. So let's recap. The letter G says G for goat, but if it's followed by EIY, it says J for giraffe. Remember, this is the same rhyme we used for the letter C, and that is why it is important to know the rule. There are quite a few exception words. Don't worry about it now. The only word that grade ones need to know is the word get. Get, we pronounce the G sound, although the letter after the G is an E. So practice the move. The letter G says G. Back to our phonics board. Build the letter G and the G sound. Let's recap. The A says A in a closed syllable. The B says B. The C says K. But if it's followed by EIY, it says S. The D says D. The E says E in a closed syllable. The F says F. The G says G. But if it's followed by EIY, it says J. Auditory discrimination. You need to hear correctly before you can write correctly. Let's write a word. I want you to write the word gap. Let's clap it out. G, A, gap. Now let's write the sounds. G, A. Children must be able to do both. The teacher leads P. We can hear that the S sound is the short vowel sound. That is why it is a closed syllable word and it ends on a blue consonant sound, P. Now children convert the sound to the letter G, A, and P. The teacher leads P. The teacher writes the words bag on the board for visual discrimination and reading. The children are going to convert the letters into the sounds that they hear. Clap it out. B, A, G. You hear A, and you can see that it ends on a blue consonant. That is why it is a closed syllable. Let's write the sounds. B, A, G. G, because there is no other letter after the G, the sound stays G. The soft G is before a EIY. If you write the G before a EIY, the sound changes to J. That is why get is an exception word. You have a G before a E, but the sound is still G. The same for girl, gift, and give. We will deal with them later. For grade 1, term 1, children must be able to write and read the word get. Another exception word is the word egg, and the reason is it ends on a double G. This is the last video where I will add this slide. You know the rhythm by now, and you know exactly what children need to know about each letter of the alphabet.